Don't be
WAT
scared,
ARTATIEN
don't hesitate. Since you are here, my heart is for you, man. Sing, Jonga.
WAT ARTATIEN
What's up, everyone? Shillong Khasi people. Peace from Africa. Gabs, Gabi back again. And today we are going to check WANBHAA latest music video by the title WAT ARTATIEN, guys. It's a lover mouth. Today I think he has new collaboration or new guy here by the name Lover MAWIONG feat WANBHAA, guys. We have the pin here. Okay, official music video, guys. We're going to check it out. Yes, guys, let's do this. Don't forget, subscribe. Soon we are coming to Shillong. We'll be meeting up, guys. Stay tuned and let's go. Amos studio here. Oh, there's here WAT ARTATIEN Lover. WANBHAA with his favorite boys, man. Those boys also, I like them, guys. They're so good in dancing. Michael, I think the other guy I know him, his name is like Michael. The other one I don't know, guys. Don't be scared, don't hesitate. Since you are here, my heart is for you, man. Sing, Jonga.
WAT ARTATIEN Ngan bat ki jing kula ngan bat ki jing yate nu kwa ngabong thok na phi endala dei kapo inong tang I jong na ngaru ngan long u jong phi kat shaba yat bada ya pau
Wherever you go, even in Africa, I can never ever betray you.
Ya jing eu bi ma phi haba sham haba sa bong let na phi te nu la
Let's dance.
WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen se wat teng na nga WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen se. Oh no, don't get me wrong.
Okay, Mensim Jonga. Yeah, you know it, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much, WANBHAA, for this time. Like, he provided the English subtitle, guys. This is really something so important for me. I'm from Africa and I don't understand Khasi properly. So, and I'm usually and regularly reacting to you guys. So it will be so easy for me. Not for me also, guys. Like, some people, like, you just have to know music is a universal language, right? And you don't have to limit yourself. You don't know where will you be one day. Like, to every musician watching this, guys, I really suggest you guys to provide a music English subtitle whenever you make a big project, guys, because you don't know, like, you know, I wanted to explain something very important on how it will help you. It is not for me but for you guys, but I will speak at the end. For now, let's enjoy, guys. I love this song because I can understand, I can read the subtitle here. Let's go. Let's sing. I must work so hard. You will write a future for you. The sound is good here also. Wherever I go, ever betray you.
WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen sim wat teng na nga WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen sim wat teng na nga WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen sim wat teng na nga WAT ARTATIEN la em ma phi la hun nga kamen sim.
Yo, the guy's falling so bad. Come, lift my guy up, man. It's falling for you, my God. Yo, Lover, Mr. Lover. Okay, guys. So let's talk a little bit about the music video. Actually, the music is so lovely because you know Lover is there. Lover from his name, Lover MAWIONG. He made the music sound so good, and the lyric is so good actually, guys. So meaningful and so touching, and I just love it. I just love it. He sounds so good also, guys, and I think maybe he's one of the greatest singer there. It's my first time also watching him. It's good also to collaborate with the biggest or great musician of all time in your state, which is something important, guys. So WANBHAA also here is he also sounds so good. You already know WANBHAA sound so good, and his music is always so unique, like because he knows how to dance. This is what makes his music always so beautiful and so entertaining. Because once you know how to sing, guys, and you know how to dance, then oh my gosh, you are really you have the bright future. I'm telling you. Doesn't matter also if you don't know how to dance, but if you know how to sing, it's also it's a great thing because it's not easy to be a singer, guys. I love the music. I love the music, guys. And I wanted to add something regarding the subtitle that I wanted to talk about before, guys, because I see that in Meghalaya, like in Shillong, guys, most of the singers, those musicians, they provide amazing music videos, guys, but they are not providing the English subtitle. So you are limiting yourself, guys. It doesn't mean if you are singing local way. You're already singing in local way, I know, in your local language, but you are not thinking about your future. It's like you are limiting yourself. You are only targeting the Shillong people, guys. Like few of you also might never expect that one day I'll be reacting to Khasi people because I'm not Khasi, I'm from Africa. So you will be like, no, why will foreigner watch us? They don't understand Khasi, or why will for African watch us? So it's not like that, guys. Maybe one day you will find a very someone from a foreign, and he will just come to like the Khasi musician, or maybe they will meet outside because there is a lot of Khasi people also there outside other countries, right? So maybe they will just feel to make a collaboration or to know more about the Khasi singers. So to know the professional level of music, guys, like I know also it is very hard for people, for musicians to generate subtitle. It really take much time and it need a lot of work. That's why most of them they just don't provide that. But I'm just like suggesting you guys, if it is possible and you know you have a big project, kindly provide the English subtitle. It might help you one day, one time. You will get like this year I had that Akon, like the for us we call it Akon. It's coming to Cherry Blossom to perform there. So what if he start asking about the Khasi people, about the Khasi musician? He wanted to see their talent, right? So he will find all the song, all is local. Then he won't understand anything, right? Few musicians in Meghalaya also they sing in English, like Jesse Lindo. We have also like those Meba Ofila and his team. Like few are there. So just try. If you can't sing English, no problem, but provide subtitle. Those foreigners, they will love it, man, because music is universal language. Hope you understood what I'm trying to say. It's not for my own advantage to react for you, but don't limit yourself as a musician, guys. You can comment below. Tell me what do you think, guys. WANBHAA, all the best. Love from Africa. All the best to Mar Local and Mar Global Music team. Don't forget subscribe, guys. See you soon. Bamba Club.